Fuck me, my ears. Gentlemen, good evening. 4 ex-army officers. You're all used to pressure. You've served in Iraq.
Yeah.
Clearly, you're all very used to giving out orders. Yeah. Tonight, there's only going to be one person giving out orders. That's me. Yes. You've got 4 ladies, Lancashire lassies, standing in between you and the final at Claridge's. Yeah. You should really do better than that. Yes. Yeah. Ed, what's on the menu?
What's on the menu? We've got summer frittata, Gordon.
Good.
We've got roast duck breast with fine green beans and sturdy potatoes. And we've got baked Alaska.
Wonderful.
Thanks.
Now, perfect fucking frittata. I'm going to do one with you now. Get the pan hot. Bacon in first, yeah? What's next?
Onions.
Onions, that's right. Asparagus in, yeah? Peas in. Egg mix at the bottom. The secret is to have it a little bit running the centre, but not liquid, yes?
Yeah.
Ghost cheese over. Asparagus tips. Under the grill, bang, in. The idea of that is to melt all that ghost cheese. Look, and it's a really nice sort of creamy, textured frittata. Yeah?
Okay.
First table's on. OK, so Chris and Charlie, yes, on order, 4 covers table 5. 4 pea asparagus, pancetta frittata. 4 duck, 4 baked Alaska.
Yes, chef.
Excellent, well done. I know they're fussy out there, so be careful,
Okay.
yes? Make sure you get some really nice colour on those lardons,
chef.
yes?
I think that's done.
Let's get this
Right, let's
asparagus
go.
looking
Where are the
really good
plates?
at the top.
Okay.
More salad, please. Gently, just a little bit over there. They're very nice. Good. Chris,
Okay.
now, would you pay for that?
I would certainly pay
Yeah,
for that.
good, they're very nice. Table 5, go, please. Well done. I saw bits of black in there. Now, what is all that in there?
We need to make more. Here, I'll put
Mate,
4.
what have you done there?
Do you want 4 more, Gordon?
Fuck. No, you're real bright guys. Look. You know, don't worry, we're not going to serve that.
Okay. We can't hide it under the
No,
lettuce.
we can't
of
hide.
course we
Fuck
can't.
all.
No.
Come on.
Okay.
All the same size. Start
Do it
again.
again.
Bullshit. That's the target to beat. Yes?
Yep.
OK, the number of fannies that are prepared to pay for their starters.
Yep.
33 out of 50. Ouch. That is exactly the same number as the Lancashire lassies. So you're on target. You've been under pressure before. Yeah, now you're under even more pressure. Yeah, get it right for the duck. Yeah? OK, let's go.